Everyone's on a different code book. Everyone's on a different cycle. Everyone has different amendments. Even within states, you have different counties, cities that varies. That's why if you understand the principle, if you understand the reason behind why the code book was written, that's going to stay transparent whatever year you go to. So let's say you go to another state at another code cycle, at least it was still made to protect people and property, right? You go to Tennessee, hey, even if they're at 2017, people and property. New York, 2008, people and property. You go to Connecticut, people and property. California, people and property. As long as you understand the why of why the NEC code book was written, at least that fundamental truth is going to stay the same. And that will in turn allow you to become one step better than any other electrician in the field, because they're just doing what they were told. They don't have an appreciation for what the NEC actually is.